Why can't you just put the phone down? I can't. I have 2 more daily quests left. If I don't grind them out right now, my rank resets tomorrow, but you're literally exhausted. You've been staring at that screen for 4 hours. Are you even having fun anymore? No, I actually hate this game right now, but if I close the app, it's going to bug me all night. I physically feel like I can't sleep until it's done. The wise man smiles and takes a seat. Let me ask you something. When you close your eyes, do you see those uncollected rewards? When you try to eat, does your mind keep drifting back to that specific progress bar? Yes, exactly. It's like a non-stop glitching notification inside my head. You are trapped, the wise man says firmly, but you aren't trapped by the game. You are trapped by your own brain. Your mind fundamentally hates unfinished work. Right now, it is running a heavy background program burning your battery because it refuses to let go of an open loop. This is a psychological trap, and the only way out is to deliberately break the cycle. This isn't just about video games. This is your exact problem too. Think about it. Have you ever started a Netflix show that was absolute trash, but you still binged the whole thing just because you needed to see the ending? Or maybe you have a half-typed text sitting in your chat box right now. You think you walked away from it, but your brain never did. It keeps running that unfinished draft in the background, like a phone with 50 apps open at once, draining your energy until you feel totally burnt out for zero reason. This happens when you leave a TikTok video halfway through, or when you leave a messy stack of clothes on your chair. Your brain keeps a live tab open for every single one of those things. This psychological glitch is called the Zeigarnik effect. Decades ago, a scientist noticed that restaurant waiters could remember incredibly complex food orders perfectly, but only until the bill was paid. The exact second the table paid up, the entire order vanished from their memory. Your brain treats your whole life exactly like those waiters treat an unpaid bill. When a task is active and incomplete, your brain stays on high alert. It logs that information into your short-term memory, constantly flashing it in front of your eyes, screaming at you to finish what you started. This mechanism is supposed to help you survive. Instead, modern algorithms use it to exploit you. Game developers design endless battle passes specifically to trigger this mental tension. Doom scrolling works because apps use cliffhangers and see more buttons to force your brain into an open loop. You click because your brain demands closure. You stay awake until 3 a.m. because your mind is desperately trying to solve a puzzle you left open hours ago. You are living in a constant state of mental friction, and it is killing your focus. Fortunately, there is an ultimate solution to unlock this mental cage. You do not actually have to finish every single task to stop the mental noise. You just have to trick your brain into believing that you have a bulletproof plan to handle it. Your brain cannot tell the difference between a task that is fully completed and a task that is securely scheduled. The moment you feel that anxious, nagging feeling rising, the moment you realize you are stuck in an infinite loop, you must stop immediately. Grab your phone note or a piece of paper, write down the exact unfinished task, then write down the specific time, date, and step-by-step plan for when you will finish it. When you write down a concrete plan, you officially close the loop. Your brain relaxes, the tension evaporates, you reclaim your mental energy, your focus returns, and you can finally get some peace. Do not let unfinished tasks run your life. Write them down, schedule them, and take your peace of mind back today. Now I want to hear your stories. Drop a comment below and share the most ridiculous open loop that has ever kept you awake at night. Was it a game, cliffhanger, or a half-finished project? Let's talk about it down there and share your experiences. If you want to completely destroy your procrastination habits, you need need to watch our next video. We are breaking down the 2-minute rule for extreme laziness. How to trick your brain's threat detector into working. Click it right now, close this loop, and I will see you there.